Hi! In this guide, we're going to show you how to retarget shoppers who added products to their wish list but didn't complete the purchase of those saved items. First, go to the Marketing tab in your Wishlist Plus app. Make sure your Klaviyo integration is already connected. If it isn't, open the Integrations tab, connect Klaviyo, and then return to the Marketing section. Next, go to Shopper Segments. Select the segment that says Shoppers who wishlisted and saved products but haven't purchased. You can apply filters such as date range or shopper attributes to refine this list. The numbers will update automatically based on the filters you choose. Once your shopper segment looks good, switch over to your Klaviyo account to create the campaign flow. Create a new flow for shoppers who wishlisted products but did not purchase with event name Swim-Digest and copy the nudge name from the Wishlist Plus app. Follow the video to see how to include dynamic products inside your email template. In Klaviyo, add a table block and follow the on-screen steps to set up dynamic product images, product names, and product prices using the wishlist event data. This ensures each shopper sees the exact items they saved. After you've customized your email and confirmed everything looks right, turn the flow live. Once it's live, now go back to the Wishlist Plus app and send the events. You send the events immediately or schedule them for later. Once the events are sent, Klaviyo will automatically send the campaign to shoppers. And that's it! You're now ready to run your Wishlist Winback campaign for BFCM and bring your shoppers back to complete their purchase.